Good morning, future millionaires. My name is Mr. Crypto. Welcome to today's edition of CNN Network. Here at CNN, we'll be bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency news, unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered. So, guys, if you like what you see, please smash that like button and subscribe. Turn on notifications for all latest news. For all that being said, let's get going. Okay. Right, so today has been another interesting day in the market. Ethereum is definitely leading the way in this bull run. It's taken a big share of Bitcoin's market cap. As you can see, ETH dominance is at 19.5%. Just a few months ago, it was struggling to get above 12%. So now it's taken a big slice of Bitcoin's pie. So that's why you see Bitcoin is struggling at the moment, because there's only a certain amount of money in the market. And so you have to realize this is the market cap, this is the total amount of money that's in the market at the moment. Now, each time that ETH's dominance goes up, it takes a chunk out of Bitcoin's money. So it's one or the other. As main adoption comes along, you'll see obviously the market cap will grow, and then there'll be more money to share among the coins. So 24 hours volume increase for 314 billion and 4.8 increase on the market cap. So that is actually quite a lot. But a lot of that money is going into ETH at the moment, as you can see. 7 days, 33%, absolute charging along. Not much change in the top 10. Top 10's basically just, it's the top 9, 10 and 11 that keep swapping around. These three right now are having a battle, 27, 24 and 22. So not much change there. But we've got some interesting news for the Indy 500 car world. So Ed Carpenter Racing will run a Bitcoin car in the Indianapolis 500, raising money for development with Strike. So if you're a fan of the Indy 500, it's one of the biggest racing events in America. It's televised to millions and millions of people around the world, and it gets major sponsorship deals. For the first time, you're going to see a cryptocurrency, the main cryptocurrency, on one of the side of the cars. So that's going to be great news for the crypto space, and it will shine light on Bitcoin for millions and millions of people. Millions of viewers will see Bitcoin car compete in the first place in this year's Indianapolis 500. The IndyCar Series team, Ed Carpenter Racing, has announced that it will enter the number 21 Bitcoin Chevrolet, a black and orange race car, adorned thoroughly with the Bitcoin logo, in the upcoming Indianapolis 500 to be held on May the 30th, 2021. It will be driven by the 2020 NTT IndyCar Series Rookie of the Year, Rinus VK. ERC has also teamed with Lightning Network payments platform Strike to fundraise for Bitcoin development through this car, which will sport a QR code that fans can use to contribute funds. Of the money raised, 70% will go directly towards developers contributing to Bitcoin projects via groups like Human Rights Foundation, and the other 30% will go to ECR to cover race costs and towards charitable causes in the Indianapolis, a Strike representative of Bitcoin magazine. So ERC is also the first IndyCar series to integrate Bitcoin as a payment for its employees, so they are very bullish on Bitcoin. For Ed Carpenter Racing to form a strategic initiative to support the Bitcoin network while racing is the largest sporting event on earth is an unbelievable opportunity. Ed Carpenter, an Indy Series driver and owner of ERC, told Bitcoin Magazine exclusively, "We are breaking the sponsorship model and will redefine hold on for dear life." As the Bitcoin car exceeds 230 miles an hour around the track, playing a small role in the Bitcoin movement and giving the community something to root for is bigger than the ECR. We're humbled and honoured to get the chance to do so on May the 30th. So that's actually very, very bullish news. You should see an increase in adoption due to this. A lot of people that don't know about Bitcoin will see a big B on the side of the car and think, well, Bitcoin, Indy 500, a lot of sports fans, a lot of people will jump on with this news. Very bullish news. Alright, so moving on to Ethereum now. This is probably the most bullish information of the week, I think. Ethereum, let me start with the title. This fact offers insights into how much Ethereum's price can grow. Ethereum's market capitalization is now greater than all the largest banks in the world. Are you actually getting that? Let me just say that again. Ethereum's market capitalization is now greater than all the largest banks in the world. Did you just hear what I just said? All the largest banks in the world: J.P. Morgan, Bank of America, ICBC, China Construction Bank, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, Agricultural Bank of China, Royal Bank of Canada, Bank of China, Commonwealth Bank. They can't touch it. They can't touch it now. Look, this is the future, people. If you don't need any, like, all right, it's cool listening to people, and you can take secondhand information, but this is common knowledge now. You can Google this information. You can check the net for this kind of information. Yeah, the Bitcoin and Ethereum are now bigger than all the largest banks in the world. Yeah, if this isn't information to make you know that crypto is the future, people, then this is it here, right here, right here. Like, these people have been in business for years and years and years. Yeah, and this just shows that their way of doing business now is coming to an end. This is why they're all joining up. J.P. Morgan are all joining up. Bank of America are all joining up. All these companies here are all starting to buy these assets here because they know that these are the future. People, follow the money. That's what you do. That's how you become rich. You follow the money. Yeah, we're trying to create generational wealth here. Follow the money. All right. So anyway, let me just jump onto the ETH chart now. Just give you a quick look of how well things are doing. All right. So, oh boy, where do I start? All right. So this is where we was the other day when I drew the channels. And I did actually predict, I won't actually move anything because I don't want you guys to think that I'm trying to make things up. Yeah, this is what I predicted here. And I actually thought it was going to adhere to this and then bounce out. But you know what? It done this one step better. What did it do? It bounced out way earlier. It bounced out here and went straight up. And the good thing about it is it's still adhering to the 20 MA. It's bouncing off it, respecting it. Each time it touches it, it's gone. Each time it touches it, it's gone. This is very, very bullish and a very good continuation pattern. The way that it's holding this is lovely. So, let me zoom out. Right, so as you can see here on the RSI, we've got a high of around 87. So that's still not even that high. You can go up to around 90, 92, 95 before you're overbought. So that's still looking good as well, and we've come to a nice respectable level of around 75 here. So we can trail along here for quite a while now and still be in a good position. So things are looking very, very good for ETH. It is actually looking like it's gonna do much better things than people had anticipated this year because of main adoption and usage. Let's quickly jump onto BTC. No, not that one. There's the one. Right. Let's just zoom out a bit, give you a better picture. Right, as we said on the beginning of the show, Ethereum has been taking big chunks out of Ethereum has been taking big chunks out of Bitcoin's dominance. So that's why you're seeing it struggle to get. Let's see. You're seeing it struggle now to get above back into the channel. We was respecting this channel for months on end, hitting the top of resistance and then support, resistance, support. But then since the other day, we've broken down and we are struggling to get back in because most of the money are going towards the altcoins at the moment. So it is a little bit worrying because if this continues to go down now, you will see a decline and it could signal a beginning of the end of the bear market. But it's a week for Ethereum this week. So, and you have to remember a lot of companies have money in Bitcoin as well, and a lot of the futures that are expiring say that Bitcoin's going to go higher. So these companies don't want to lose out on their money. So they've already bet for the price to go higher. So we are anticipating them to push the price higher soon. They are just consolidating at the moment in anticipation for the big push up. So just keep an eye on this in the weeks to come. We are still adhering to the 20 MA. You can see it here. So as long as we stay above this, we should be okay. but we do want it to start gaining pace at the moment, because if it doesn't, then it could be the signal of the end of the bull market, or we could be going into a mini bear market. So keep an eye on that. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed today's show. We're always trying to build a knowledgeable community here at CNN. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.